It's 3 a.m. again, and you're thinking, we're at 15% EBITDA. So why is cash still short? Because EBITDA isn't cash. It ignores timing, working capital, and capital spend. Slow AR, prepaid labor, or creeping overhead can make you look profitable and still feel cash poor. The fix is to measure conversion. Track EBITDA to cash conversion monthly and add 2 metrics: operating cash flow and free cash flow. Operating cash flow forces you to confront AR and payment terms. Free cash flow forces discipline around capex and one-time outflows. If conversion is weak, it's usually one of 3 things: AR is lagging, customer terms are too generous relative to payroll and vendors, or capex is higher than planned. Those won't show up clearly in EBITDA, but they show up brutally in cash. Treat cash like the real scoreboard. When cash and profitability align, you stop second guessing at 3 a.m.